Previously on Explorations.
Great, but let me tell you, it is off to a rocky start. None of the audio on my recording worked. I got a flat tire. On the front tire, I couldn't get my air compressor to work because my accessory power outlet was not working. I had to get towed. I got towed to a bike shop. They did fix it for me, and really quick. Like another 80 kilometers or so, maybe. Another flat tire, this time my rear tire. So now I have some decisions to make about how I am going to cover this 900 kilometers in order to get to Parc National du Grand-Jardin, which is 900 kilometers to the east of here. Good morning, everybody. Day number 4. We're actually heading east. What an exciting time. The old Google machine, 9 hours and 38 minutes to the campsite. So we got a long day of riding, almost 900 kilometers. Right now, the temperature is beautiful, the roads are beautiful. We're going to be riding into the sunrise here, which is going to be a thing. We are also starting off the day on some beautiful roads. This is going to be a really nice beginning of the day and a really nice end of the day with a lot of highway in the middle. Yeah, there's the good stuff. We're gonna get some gas. Also, gas is $1.17. That is wicked cheap. Been riding for like an hour and 45 minutes. Definitely feeling it in my butt already. First day of the ride though is always, it's always a little extra impact on the body. I'll be fine after this, but tires still have air in them, which is a big plus on this trip. Actually feeling a little chilly. I know I'm going to regret it later while I'm melting, but right now definitely feel it in my hands. Okay, only 745 kilometers to go. That ain't nothing. I eat that for breakfast. This is Carleton Place. We are getting on the 417 soon, and I want to take a break before then, so I might go into the downtown here, see if we can't find a cafe or something. Which way? Which way? Straight? Straight looks like the way to go. Let's go straight. German bakery. The little German bakery. It's not open. No German bakery for us. The Good Food Company Cafe, all open. All right, sweet. We are going. We're gonna pull a wild U-turn here before someone shows up. And there's parking right out front. No, there's not, but we're gonna sneak in behind this car in this not parking spot. AKA motorcycle parking spot. Ooh, a donut place too, nice. Oh yeah, let's go see what we got. Kind of chilly. I'm actually switching out my gloves. Sorry, words. Switching out my gloves for my gauntlets. Keep me a little bit warmer. Probably regret it later when it's 44 degrees, but right now my hands are chilly. All right, in the words of Damien,
I guess it's time to stop dilly-dallying and get back on the road.
That's enough dilly-dallying. We got about 20 kilometers or so till Highway 417, which will take us through Ottawa. And then when we hit the Quebec border, that turns to Highway 20. And then in Montreal, we jump on Highway 40, which will take us to Quebec City. And they're all big old highways, freeways. They're going to be long and fast, and it's going to be a grind. Not really looking forward to that, but it's got to be done. So even that quick little stop still adds on a lot of time. My ETA was 3:23 when I stopped. Now it's 3:55. I don't think I was there for half an hour, but maybe I was. I don't know. But yeah, every little stop adds on a bunch of time. So we can afford a few stops, but we can't go crazy. Which is kind of unfortunate because there were some cool spots that I had planned to stop at originally before all these delays happened. But those will have to wait for another time. Alright, time for another break. Gonna get gas. It's a little early for gas, but I might as well get it now while it's convenient. And gas is $1.43. Is that what I saw? Oh, feels bad. I should have got gas in Ontario. Oh well. Alright, let's go the old-fashioned way. Nice. Oh, standing up feels so good. It really, really does. Oh, even just walking for a little bit. Yeah, okay. Also, it's getting real hot. Cool, let's boogie. Oh, look at that. Wonder where that goes. Somewhere cool, I bet. Definitely gonna be cooler than this highway I'm about to get on. All right, time for another break, and this time some food. Because it is definitely past lunch. I see picnic tables over there. I don't know how to get there. I want shade. I'll get gas here too. Don't need it yet, but I'm here. Might as well put some gas in. Those have got my name all over them. Oh, baby. All right, lunchtime at this lovely scenic parking lot, but it's got a big table of shade, so I can't really complain. We're well over two-thirds of the way there, which is awesome. 3 hours and 11 minutes left. Just under 300 kilometers. My ETA is 4:20 p.m. Right now it's 10 after 1, so I mean, that's all looking pretty good. It's all looking very good. I'm sure I'm going to stop again at least once, maybe twice, depending on things like fuel and the need to stretch and maybe any cool sights, because cool sights are definitely worth stopping for, especially now that I know we're going to be making it there at a decent time. I can relax a bit and maybe take in some sights. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, did your mommy pack that lunch for you? Yeah, my mommy did pack that lunch for me because my parents are wicked awesome. And like with the breakdown and them rescuing me off the highway, letting me stay at their place and letting me drive around to get the wheel and the parts I needed for my bike to get this all working and feeding me. Yeah, like this would have been such a huge disaster if it wasn't for their help. So shout out mom and dad, thank you so much. I love you guys. This wouldn't have been possible without you. We'll keep an eye on that ETA. It's slowly getting later, obviously, as we're sitting here, but that's fine. But yeah, it's looking like things are working out so far. Knock on wood. This table's plastic, but you get it. We did it. There are so many bugs on the front of this camera. Oh my gosh. I gotta clean that off. But anyhow, we did it. 900 kilometers. It's like 5 o'clock now. So what's that? 10 hours and 45 minutes to do. Not bad at all. And we got the welcoming committee here. You having a nice nap? I'm sorry. This is Gimli. She will be our tour guide for the remainder of the trip. Well, parts of it anyways. Hey, what do you think? Yeah. Everybody else has gone for a hike except for my sister and Gimli. They are holding down the site. Yeah, good job. I got some stuff to unpack. I would love to find something to eat because I'm pretty hungry. I have no idea what hike everybody else has gone on or when they're planning to be back. But I guess we'll find that out when they get back. But for now, I'm going to get my gear off and get comfortable and probably lay on that picnic table for a while and try to straighten out my back because damn. Anyhow, that is it for day number 4. We made it. We actually made it. Parc National du Grand-Jardin. Looks pretty cool. I'm looking forward to checking it out tomorrow. I honestly, for a while, didn't think we were going to make it here, but we did it. Anyhow, until tomorrow, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And we will see you next time. Gimli is getting all the dogs riled up. Next time on Explorations, I think we're at the peak. Oh yeah, definitely the peak. All right, adventure the second. Look at it. Oh yeah! 10 out of 10. Would definitely ride again.